guys, it's me, John, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own surprise egg. But after that, we are going to open 3 surprise eggs. I'm ready. Are you ready? Okay, so first, to make a surprise egg, if you want to mix all the color, you can. But I'm going to use yellow for this one. And this one is a special one you're going to want. Okay, so first you make a toy, and it has to be the toy that's the size of the egg. So pretend when I put in my little toad figure on this side, you can have one and one and then one surprise egg, if you didn't know that. And I'm going to get a shoe, like a rather high shoe. I'll put it like right here in the middle. And then you
Are you
cover
mixing it?
No. Then you cover it. And I'm not going to tell you what's in the other surprise eggs. Shush.
I see that.
Now we're going to open the 3 surprise eggs. First we're going to open this.
Want you to open them for me?
We have a Venusaur. No, Caleb. Now we're going to open the blue surprise egg. There's a little light inside. Now we're going to open the green surprise egg. There's a headband inside of it. And now we're going to open the last surprise egg. We found Toad. And we have found a little shoe. We'll have more surprise eggs after. Actually, we'll make some more right now. See you next time on Surprise Egg Openings.
Can I have some